Sanibonani, welcome to code switching. Today we'll be doing lesson number 2. We'll be doing greetings, which is called ukubingelela in Isizulu. We'll start by good morning, good day, good evening. In Isizulu we say sanibonani if it's plural. We say sanibonani. If it's singular, we say sawubona. Sawubona in singular, and then sanibonani in plural. There is good morning, good day, or good evening. Another, we're saying good morning, good day, or good evening, madam. In plural, we're saying sanibonani bo mama. In singular, it's sawubona mama. Sawubona mama in singular. Plural, sanibonani bo mama. Good day, madam. Sanibonani if it's plural. Singular, sawubona nkosikazi. There is good day, madam. Sawubona nkosikazi if it's singular. Sanibonani if it's plural. Good day, sir. Sawubona mnomzane. That is just singular. Good day, sir. Sawubona mnomzane. Sawubona mnomzane. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Sanibonani madoda namakhosikazi. Sanibonani madoda namakhosikazi. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. There is plural. Sanibonani madoda namakhosikazi. How are you? In singular, we say unjani. Unjani in singular. In plural, we say ninjani. Ninjani. That is how are you. Ninjani in plural and unjani in singular. I am fine, and how are you? Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? I am fine, and how are you? Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? That is singular. Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? I am well. Ngiyaphila. Ngiyaphila. I am well. Ngiyaphila. That was all for today. Thank you guys for watching.